Hello. Welcome to the R Introduction course. My name is Manish, and I will help you understand this programming language. R, also called the language for statistical computing, was developed by Ross Ihaka and Robert Gentleman at the University of Auckland in the 90s. It is considered an open-source implementation of the S language, which was developed by John Chambers in the Bell Laboratories in the 80s. R provides a wide variety of statistical techniques and visualization capabilities. Another very important feature about R is that it is highly extensible. Because of this, and more importantly because R is open source, it actually was the vehicle to bring the power of S to a larger community. Like in every programming language, there are pros and cons. Because I like R, let's start with the pros first. First of all, it's open source, so it's free. Next, R's graphical capabilities are top-notch and it's very easy to build publication quality plots. In comparison to many other statistical software packages, R uses a command line interface, which means that you have to actually code things in your console and in scripts. While this might be frustrating at first, it makes your work reproducible. You can now wrap your work in R scripts, which you can then easily share with your colleagues. Because of these advantages, R appeals to a large audience both in academia and in business. Moreover, it's fairly easy to create R packages, which are extensions of R, aimed at solving particular problems. R's very active community has created thousands of well-documented R packages for a very broad range of applications in the financial sector, healthcare, and for cutting-edge research. However, as with anything, there are also some disadvantages. R seems to be relatively easy to learn at first, but it is hard to really master it. Also, the fact that R is command-based is a frightening detail for statisticians that are used to the typical point-and-click programs out there. This steep learning curve sometimes results in poorly written R code that can be hard, both to read and to maintain. Furthermore, poorly written R code can become slow if you're working with large data sets. But fear not. I'm here to help you master R in no time. Use this course to get a grip on R's fundamental concepts, and you can always consult R documentation for documentation on all publicly available R packages. Next up, your first steps in R. One of the most important components of R, and where most of the action happens, is the R console. If this video helped you out in any way, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Also, click on the screen right now to watch another video, just like this one, with some tips and tricks to help you level up. If you have any questions or suggestions, then you may ask in the comments section below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.